this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bedliner, remote keyless entry, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cloth seat trim. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.